Hello and welcome to episode 154 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you something that I call the reverse RASGUEDO. And I know other people do this. I haven't seen anyone specifically do it, but I'm sure that there are people out there doing this. And regular RASGUEDO is playing down, usually starting with the pinky, flamenco technique, and strumming through each of the fingers in turn very quickly as a little flourish. Playing through a G bar chord here. And I've covered that in an earlier lesson. The reverse RASGUEDO is where I play it in reverse, where instead of downstrokes, I'm doing upstrokes, starting with the pinky. Pinky, ring, middle, index. And I often do it like this. As sort of an introduction to the downbeat, a little bit of a pickup. And I'm hitting mainly the lowest strings on the guitar, the highest strings, in fact, the high E, B, and G, as I'm doing that. And it definitely works best as you're playing through a very rhythmic progression, and often with a bar chord, open chords can work fine, but I find with a bar chord you get a bit more of the percussive attack out of it. You can even line up a few in a row like this. And I'm playing that up, and then using my index or my middle finger for the downstroke. Obviously for this you need nails of some length. Mine are fairly short right now, but can be longer. But it's a fun technique. I find that I throw it in a couple times per song, often in conjunction with maybe a thump with a thumb. Like that. Again, just pinky, ring, middle, and index. Ending with a downstroke. Hope it's useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.